Hey YouTubers, how's it going? What's up? Bearbird Time here. How is my Pokemon World and my Nintendo World and all the other channels I love doing for you guys? It's time. I'm opening up that Switch. You want to see what's inside that Switch? Everybody knows what's inside that Switch. It's a Switch. But anyways, go check out my other videos I just posted. I have taken a look at all those Zeldas. I have showed off the Master Collection, things like that. Go subscribe, leave a comment down below saying your best and favorite Nintendo character of all time, things like that. Let's get started and opening up this Switch. Enjoy, and remember, later on tomorrow probably I'll be opening up the Zelda Master Collection, which I'll show you guys at the end of this video what it is. But let's get opening up this right here, right now. So let's just open up this puppy right here. Take a look at the box. So slick, so beautiful. I just love the Joy-Cons. So awesome. So awesome. So awesome. Open it up so lightly, so gently, because I am a collector. I collect all my boxes and everything. As you guys know, I have original Nintendo still. I think I just opened up. Did I? Oh crap. I opened up upside down. Let's flip it back over. It looks smaller and more slicker than what it did even when I watch other people opening it up. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. All I say is, oh my gosh. You know what? Give me a second, guys. I gotta do something here. I gotta get something here. Do something, get something, can't find it, don't know where they are. Oh no! It's okay. It's okay. Let's go ahead and... Look at the... Oh, look at the shine and the arrows. The arrows are shining. I guess that's your button where you, switch it. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my. Look at this. Arms. 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 Oh man. Okay, you know what? This has got to go back in here like this. Hold on a second, guys. I just want to get these in here. I don't want to ruin them. I don't want to drop them. I have a little puppy, as you guys know in my other video, that loves eating things. What happens if she ate one of these? I'll be like, ah! Anyways, here we go. Here is the Switch itself. This is the power. This is the Switch. This is the Nintendo Switch! I'm finally holding the Nintendo Switch in my hand. Can you believe this? Oh my. Okay, I gotta gently take this out. You know what? I am crazy. I know. I am sorry, guys. But hold on. I am very crazy. I don't want to touch the screen because I haven't put nothing on it yet. I'm gonna go like this. Is there a screen protector already on it? I don't know. But anyways, there is the Switch. Ah, so beautiful. This is the power of the Switch. This is the power. There's a USB cable right there. You can put it, you can put a charger in there, so on the go you're charging it. Oh, almost fair blog there on you guys. Charging it. You know what? We gotta do this right now. We gotta go like this. Go like this. Click. Hear that? Click. Dude. Oh, and I just turned it on. Oh, Nintendo Switch! Switch! Put Joy-Cons in. Click. You hear that, guys? You hear that, guys? You hear that? Listen. Click. Out. Click. Nice. Okay, what does the other one do here? Click. Okay. Now what? Down. Down. Huh. Click. Oh. Oh, Nintendo Switch. Oh, it vibrated. Oh, this is really cool. Wow. Okay, I'm turning off the Zelda music here for a second. Turning up the volume. I wonder if I can use a Nintendo status stick on this. I'm gonna leave that right there just for a brief second there, guys. Let's get a Nintendo status stick going here. Let's see if we can use the status stick on here. Whoops. Nope, guess not. Americans. Am I Americans? I'm gonna accept. Oh yeah. Accept. By selecting the accept button, you acknowledge that you have read and agreed to be on the. Yeah, sure. Searching for network. Oh, this is wow. This is just wow. 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 You see that, guys? That wow. This is awesome. Hold on, punching in my code here. Okay. Connecting. Ooh, nice. Connecting. Done! Woo! I'm not in Los Angeles, Vancouver. Well, I guess I'm in Los Angeles, Vancouver. Oh, crap. Oh, look at that. It's so easy touch. Look at that. Connect to TV. Is it going to just stream right to the TV, guys? Oh, no. Okay, you have to detach the Joy-Cons. Go back for right now. But anyways, this is it right here. This is the Switch right here, guys. This is so... Look at that. That's just beautiful. Anyways, I'm going to lay this down here for right now. We're already into 8 minutes. I'm really sorry, guys. I'm really sorry. Looks like I can fit more than that, but I guess not. That's just an empty box right there. We have an HD cable right here. We have the power bar that's like half the size of any other power bar you've ever seen. That's a small power bar, but hey, whatever works. Put that right there. We have the Joy-Con. Oh, this feels awesome. Oh my gosh. Oh, I have small hands, but that feels awesome. Let me take the joint. Let me go. Take these out here. Take this one out here. Like that. Let me just go like this and go like this and go. Slide. Click. Slide. Click. Oh, oh yeah. Oh, this is awesome. Oh my gosh. This is cool. Wow. Oh man. This is, wow. Wow. And the Switch is even. Look at, guys, look at this. I'm moving it around. See this, guys? This is, oh, this is crazy. This alone is crazy. This is a perfect fit for almost everybody. This is awesome. Wow. Okay. This is going on by far way too long. It is now 10 minutes, and I'm really sorry, guys. This is just awesome. You guys have got to see everything in here. Here's the manual. Let's put that there for right now. That goes with that. Okay, now here is the I forget what that was. Anybody knows who that is? Subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Say your best and favorite Nintendo character of all time. Look at my other videos. Check it out. This is awesome. This is amazing. Go check out all my other videos. I'm going to do a lot more box openings of everything all the time now. This is so fun. I'm going to do a whole bunch of more box openings for everything. Everything. Like, whenever I get a game, I'm just going to open up the game on YouTube. Whenever I get a box of something, I'm going to open a box of something on YouTube. This is just crazy. Here's the dock. Holy crap. Holy coziness. And from what I've seen with everybody, they flick that. Yeah, there you go. You flick that down, and there's an AC adapter, USB, HD in and HD out. Take the switch. I don't want to drop this thing, man. Just sets right in. Like that, I guess. Yeah. And while it's in the dock, it's charging as well. Things like that. Amazing. So cool. So awesome. Well, you know what, guys? There's the switch. There's the switch. It has been opened. It has been unwrapped. It is now here. You guys, this is awesome. Oh, man. Okay. Now, you know what, guys? I know you can still hear me. I know you're still here. Tomorrow, I can't do it today. It is way too big. I have to go home and do it for you guys tomorrow at home. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry. Let me just move this down here for right now. Let me move all these amiibos off here for right now. Give me 2 seconds here. Hold on, guys. Don't move. Don't go nowhere. You will miss something epically cool. You don't want to miss it. Tomorrow, when I get home, I will open up this Zelda Master Collection box right here. The Zelda Master Edition box. There's a huge sword in there. Everything. Even says Switch down there. Yeah. So you guys don't want to miss that. Subscribe. Hit that bell button. Leave a comment down below stating your best and favorite that was a WWE character. Your best and favorite Nintendo character of all time. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. You know what to do. Just subscribe. Tweet my messages out. Facebook messages out. Spread the word. Tell everybody. Peace out. Pokemon, WWE, Nintendo World. I'll see you later with this cool box opening right here. Peace. Nintendo Switch fans, it is here. Peace. I just can't go. This is so amazing. Let's go now. Peace. I'll see you guys later tomorrow. Peace out, Nintendo fans.